Hello and welcome to the Vizrt booth at NAB 2015. My name is Chris Black and I'm going to give you a quick tour around the booth so you can see what we're doing this year. Let's head on down the hallway here. We have to be careful, there's a lot of people here. So I'm going to try to weave my way through it as much as I can. Let's start off at social TV. We are showing an interactive social TV package this year. So we have a large Perceptive Pixel Microsoft screen in the background, and we're going to be taking in live social feeds from the show and integrating that with that interactive screen. Right next to that, we have the interactive news demo position, and we're doing a lot of the similar thing here. We are integrating social media and interacting with it, but also creating a trio show that is MOS-based and turning that into an easy-to-use graphics package that any broadcasters can create to make interactive news fast and easy. So it's a powerful solution for broadcasters to be able to do interactive graphics very, very quickly and easily for any story. Let's move on down here to the What's Next demo lounge. The What's Next demo lounge, of course, is always going to be showing what we're working on within the next year. So our OCTO, Stainer Sowrida, is going to be giving demonstrations and giving people a sneak peek in what Vizrt is working on for the next year. This is probably one of the most fascinating demo positions in the whole booth. So if you get a chance, come on by, check it out. Let's move on down to Video Playout. Video Playout is our demo position where we're showing the video playout capabilities of VizEngine. Now, VizEngine is able to now play out live HD and 4K video and also do graphics playback at the same time. It's an efficient way of sharing content across different databases and also has 4 channels of graphics and video in a single VizEngine system. This is going to be using the Matrox XMIO 3 card. That's going to give us a lot of video throughput capability. Let's move on to the next demo lounge. This is promo and channel branding. So we are not only showing Viz multi-channel and Viz ticker as our master control systems for displaying tickers and channel branding, but we're also going to be talking about the entire promo workflow, where your promo department can start planning the content that they want to use for their on-air promotions, putting it all together, and then having a cohesive promo presentation for live on-air use. Let's walk over now into the backside of the booth here where we have all kinds of things going on. It's quite crowded, so I'm going to try to slip my way through here a little bit. We have the real-time graphics and live news demo position, which is showing Viz Trio. And also, we're also not only showing the Viz Trio, which is our tool for showing live graphics on air and a simple and easy to use playlist, but also the integration between Cinema 4D, Adobe After Effects, and Viz Artist. So now your designers can be creating inside of those programs, take them directly into Viz Artist, and have a lot of creative control over that content. Right next to here, we have Sports Interactive. This is with Reality Check. They're going to be showing their real-time sports analysis tools that are available for any soccer tournament. There's also some Twitter curation tools and how they're able to do some predictive analysis with their interactive graphics. Right behind here, we have data visualization, and this is a partnership with Lockheed Martin, where we're able to take very high amounts of data and visualize it in very interesting ways. And this is more than just tools for broadcasters. This is tools for governments and business-centric solutions. So it's really powerful big data visualization tools. Now, what we're at now is the sports bar. The sports bar is showing off a lot of our sports solutions, including our 4K graphics capabilities for sports. We're showing our sports analysis system, Viz Libro, and showing off some of the new tools like automatic player tracking, and also image-based tracking. The image-based tracking capability is going to allow broadcasters to be able to display live graphics on the pitch, on the field, while the game is happening, without the need of having any kind of mechanical tracking systems. So this really opens it up to broadcasters of any size to be able to add their own sponsorships, their own logos to the sports pitch while the game is happening. And not only can you do that, but you can have multiple different branding happening in different regions, all from the same match. Let's move on over here. Let's take a look at the Weather Interactive demo position. Here we have, we're showing an interactive tool to be able to display weather data. We have some severe weather tools, so we actually have a new single box solution for displaying live weather. And we also are now able to show traffic through the interactive screen and through our weather system using the total traffic integration. I'm going to squeeze through these people over here, and we'll take a look over here at traffic. We have a partnership with Total Traffic now, and they have created a one-box solution for their traffic customers to be able to talk about live traffic using Viz World and Viz Engine as the base and show flows, traffic patterns, add in different routes, and also bring in cameras as part of the live graphics presentation. So let's actually get out of here and go around to the other side of the booth here. We have our story production tools. Story production is going to be able to give you all the tools that you need as a journalist to be able to put together a cohesive story, starting in the field, bringing in video, placing your video into a media asset management system, editing with it using a NRCS, using a proxy editing, adding a playlist for on-air use, and then sending it to live on air. So it's the full workflow for your story production live on air. And at the same time, right next door, we also have video production, where we're taking that same idea of producing a story and giving you all the video tools that you need to do that as well. So this is really talking about Viz One, our media asset management system, and its integrations with Avid Media Composer, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and After Effects, so that your editors can take that quick edits done on the NLE and go into a craft editor, clean it up, send it back over to the MAM system, and make a powerful presentation for use live on the air. Now let's actually, and then right after that we have the Media Asset Management Pod. Let's actually come over here to the control room. In this section of the booth, we have all of our control room capabilities, including our robot from Electric Friends. It's not here for world domination, it's actually here just to control the studio. And we're going to be using some of our studio automation tools, such as Viz Mozart, to be able to control this robot. Now, Viz Mozart is right over here. This is our studio automation system. It's a way of executing complex live broadcasts with a simple-to-use solution. We're able to synchronize the switcher, graphics, video, audio, and lights, and camera robotics all into a single interface. So your director has complete control of everything at his fingertips. Now, right next to that, though, is the compact control room. This is like the little brother of Viz Mozart. It's a combination of a Viz Mozart control interface with Viz Engine. And it's essentially a broadcast channel in a box. So you're able to have all your video inputs, your graphics, and the control room interface in a single system, so that broadcasters can expand very easily to a different live news channel with a easy-to-use basic system. Let's walk over here now, next to the robot, and let's take a look at Viz Multiplay. So we have a large video wall here with from Prime View, and we're showing off how Viz Multiplay, Viz Multiplay is able to do multi-screen studio control. Our presenter is able to very easily, using a touchscreen interface, change the configuration of the video wall and add in video, add in graphics, all at an easy-to-use, single-touch click. So as he's changing things around, you'll be able to see them in the video wall itself. And it's completely configurable, so you can have a very unique presentation every time you use it. Now, one other thing I want to point out here, and we're not going to be able to go up there, but we can take a look at the top of the booth. Let's see here. We have in-cam here, and we can't really see them, but on the top of the booth we have a live 4K immersive graphics presentation with in-cam and red digital cinema, where we're going to be showing a live real-time immersive graphics floating above the booth throughout the entire show. So you should come on by and take a look at that. We're going to have a video of that pretty soon. And then finally, we're here at the Viz Virtual Studio, where I'm doing a presentation every half hour showing the key features of the virtual set. We're going to be using an equipment camera to give us tracking. We're also equipment crane to give us tracking. We have a Red Dragon camera as our studio camera. And we're also using a motion analysis tracking system to be able to allow us to interact with the graphics. In fact, it's time for me to do a show now, so I gotta run. But come by us and see us at NAB 2015, and we'll see you next year as well.